Do you find it hard to trust God when life feels uncertain? Let's share a quick devo in under 10 minutes. Isaiah 26, verse 4. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord Himself is the rock eternal. How many times have we allowed trying situations that comes our way to frustrate us and get us needlessly upset? How many years of our lives have we spent saying, "Oh, I'm believing God, I'm trusting God," when in reality we are worrying, talking negatively, and trying to figure everything out on our own? Oh, wait. Okay, let's stop here because I'm sure a lot of us sobrang guilty dito. Many times na yung mga trying situations, meaning yung mga situations na talagang matcha-challenge yung patience mo, matcha-challenge yung faith mo, matcha-challenge yung joy mo. Ito yung mga times na mafu-frustrate ka, yung mga times na ma-upset ka talaga. And many times, even if we're saying na, I believe God, I trust God, di ba? Pero in reality, nararamdaman mo pa rin yung worry. Meron ka pa rin mga bagay na nasasabi na hindi okay. Trying to figure things out on our own. Even if sinasabi natin na, I trust you, God, pero naghahanap pa rin tayo ng sariling sitwasyon. Well, if you can relate to this Devo is for you and this Devo is for me. So let's continue. Sabi dito, sometimes we think we are trusting God. Ayan. Sometimes iniisip natin, nagtatrust tayo kay God just because we are saying words, but inside, we are anxious and panicky. Sobrang guilty ako dito. Sometimes I feel like I'm trusting God, but inside, parang nararamdaman ko pa rin na I'm anxious. Nararamdaman ko pa rin na I'm frustrated. Nararamdaman ko pa rin inside na nag-worry ako or nagpapanik ako. At super relate ako dito. Relate din ba kayo? So sabi dito, it is good that we are taking the initial steps to trust God. Okay, so okay naman daw yan. Maganda naman na we trust God. But, may but dito, we must also realize that we can still grow in trust. Okay, so parang sinasabi dito is, okay na nagde-declare ka, hindi masama if you're declaring na sabi dito, di ba, sa first paragraph na, I believe in God, trusting God. That's okay. Don't remove that. That's a great first step or initial step, sabi dito. But, we also have to realize na meron pa rin growth. Hindi pa rin dun siya nagsistop. So sabi dito, trusting God is more than just words. Hindi mo lang siya sasabihin na I trust you, God. 'Di ba? Hindi siya magsa-stop dun sa initial step or dun sa first step of saying na I trust you, God. It's words, sabi dito, it's words, it's attitudes, and most importantly, yung actions. Trust and confidence are built up over a period of time. Hindi siya one time, big time. Hindi siya quick and easy way. Diba? It is built up. It is built up. Ibig sabihin, nade-develop, sabi nga doon sa title natin, diba? Nade-develop siya. Unti-unti siyang nade-develop every single time na merong trying situations. Every single time na merong frustrating times or mga times na talagang masusubok yung faith mo. That is a perfect opportunity and that is a perfect chance for you to build your trust. Sabi dito, it usually takes some time to overcome an ingrained habit of worry, anxiety, or fear. That is why it is so important to hang in there. Hang in there with God. Diba? Huwag kang mag-give up. Don't lose hope. Always have hope. Always trust. Huwag kang, even if nararamdaman mo pa rin yung panicky or trust, or even if nararamdaman mo pa rin na na-frustrate ka or nag-worry ka or na-anxious ka, hang in there with God. Don't quit. Ayan, sakto pala. Don't quit. Don't give up, di ba? Because you gain experience and spiritual strength as you go through situations. Yan, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, di ba? Na it's a perfect opportunity to build up yung faith mo, yung trust mo in God. Hindi lang siya magiging just words, but magiging part na rin siya nung attitude mo. Yung magugulat ka na lang yung actions mo, 'di ba? Mag-iiba na. Magugulat ka na lang before you're just saying na, I trust God. But now, you're also doing things. Hindi na nakikita sa actions mo na nagpapanik ka or nag-worry ka. 'Di ba sometimes tayo pagka meron tayong nararamdaman na hindi okay. Even if you're saying na, I trust God. 'Di ba? I believe in God that God will help me through this. Pero nakikita sa countenance ng mukha mo malungkot ka. Nakikita sa mga post mo na parang may pinagdadaanan ka or maiksi yung patience mo, meaning marami kang nasusungitan, marami kang hindi natatapos na job. Minsan nakikita, nasasabi mo, you trust God, pero hindi nakikita sa actions mo. But sabi dito, as you hang in there with God, as you build your trust in God, unti-unti even yung actions mo magbabago. Even yung attitudes mo magbabago. Makikita na light. Parang naranasan nyo na ba yung minsan may problema ka pero parang wala kang problema. Parang grabe pala yung pinagdadaanan ng tao na yun pero halos hindi mo makikita sa countenance ng mukha niya, ng life niya. So, ito yung sinasabi dito na if you don't quit and if you don't give up, over time, mabibuild up yung trust mo, magbabago yung attitude mo, magbabago yung actions mo. So sabi dito, each time you become a little stronger than you were the last time. Sooner or later, if you don't give up, you will find yourself in place of complete rest, complete peace, and trust in God. Ito naman yung gusto nating lahat di ba? So, I want to end with this. Napakaganda. Sabi dito, if you are in time of trial, realize that worry is completely useless and use the time to build your trust in God. So I hope that today's Devo encourages you not just to use the words that you trust God, but every single time that you experience yung trying situations, yung trials, yung mga bagay na nakaka-frustrate, yung mga bagay na nakaka-worry, do something that can help you build your trust. Do something that can change your attitude. Do something that can change your outlook in life. Do something that can change your countenance. Do something that can change your perspective in your situation. And that, my friend, is developing yung trust mo by God. So again, I want to read the verse for today. It says here in Isaiah 26 verse 4, trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord Himself, is the rock eternal. Thank you guys for listening. I hope that you learned something and see you on the next Devo. Bye guys!